Nokia's hardware guardian, HMD Global, has released a full portfolio of devices in the year that it's been releasing phones. Aiming to deliver Nokia quality with pure Android benefits and priced affordably, there have been some interesting devices. The message so far has been about durability and reliability, looking to pick up on that ideal of the old indestructible Nokia phones of the 90s. Offering metal unibody phones at affordable prices has won the company fans, and shipped over 70 million phones in 2017. What was always lacking was something at the real premium end. The Nokia 8 Sirocco is exactly that device, an expression of the high end, a phone that says that HMD Global can cut it alongside the big names in smartphones. It was with some surprise that we found the Nokia 8 Sirocco to be exactly that, the manifestation of what looks like Nokia phone fandom. Juho Sarvikas, Chief Product Officer at HMD Global, even described it as the ultimate fan phone when introducing it to us. The core of this phone is stainless steel for added strength over aluminium. The notable other phone that's used stainless steel recently is the iPhone X for the same reason. HMD say that this is the most robust Nokia phone that they've made. The reason for the steel core is that the front and back of this phone are glass, Gorilla Glass 5 to be exact, with curves running into the edges for a look reminiscent of the Samsung Galaxy S8. At only 7.5mm thick at its fattest part, Nokia has certainly created a striking device. It also feels like great quality in the hand, although like all such glass devices, it attracts plenty of fingerprints, so it will need a regular clean, but it also carries an IP67 water and dust protection. It's impossible then to not liken this phone to those from Samsung. We've seen a number of phones aping Samsung's design recently, like the Porsche Design Mate 9 or Huawei Mate 9 Pro, and that's perhaps a testament to just how iconic Samsung's phone is. But for a Nokia fan, there's plenty to celebrate. This phone is more lust-worthy than the Nokia 8 that it's based on, rather more unique in many ways.